Oke, jadi kata Hana kita introduce kita punya introduce ourselves aja yang mau aja. Jadi saya mulai dulu kali ya, habis itu Pink atau siapalah. Saya mulai dulu ya. Jadi,
Hmm.
ya nama saya, Clarin, saya join Atomy sejak Desember 2021. Ya saya awal-awal dikenalin sama Pink juga, pertama produk yang saya coba itu ya Hemohim lah ya, Hemohim habis itu skincare ya. Habis itu, banyak karena suka dan cocok jadi, produknya juga bagus jadi berkelanjutan, jadi cobain banyak produk sampai sampai ya nggak sadar ya jalanin juga karena kita kan saya pakai produknya oke bagus and then saya share ke teman-teman dan mereka juga kepengen coba dan cocok ya dari situlah makanya Atomy itu memang bisnisnya itu dari mulut ke mulut. Jadi sampai sekarang ya saya masih jalanin dan masih banyak coba-coba produknya gitu. Ya ini penjelasan singkat aja, siapa next yang mau bisa langsung ya. Pimping maybe Pimping.
Ya udah boleh. Kedengeran nggak?
Kedengaran dong?
Kedengeran.
Kedengeran ya? Sama Tante, saya juga baru pakai laptop, laptopnya si Brian nih.
Iya.
Jadi dikasih ke saya, jadi baru pertama kali juga masih bingung.
Iya.
Ya, nama saya Ping, saya join Atomy itu dari September tahun kemarin. Dikenalin sama Jennifer. Produk pertama yang saya pakai itu sikat gigi sama odol sama sabuk cuci piringnya. Udah gitu lanjut ke Hemohim. Ya dari Hemohim lah saya falling in love lah with Atomy. Udah gitu cobain yang lain-lain. Ya terus happy gitu loh dengan semua produknya. Jadi lebih sehat. Suami juga lebih sehat. Tes darah apa semua masalah-masalah kesehatan itu mulai sedikit-sedikit on. Terus ya seperti Clarin bilang, secara nggak langsung lama-lama ya kayak ngejalanin bisnisnya gitu loh. Kalau ada yang nanya ya saya jelasin. Kalau ada yang minta di facialin ya saya facialin. Kalau ada waktu gitu. Jadi ya awal-awal waktu untuk mau ngejalanin bisnis antara ya jalanin atau enggak itu juga dengan pikiran ya cashback-nya lumayan untuk beli produk lagi gitu. Jadi kayak beli vitamin atau beli produk-produk yang lain ya diambil dari cashback. Ya paling itu aja sih. Ada lagi?
Tante Nini ya?
Iya silakan Tante.
Ya, Tante saya join dari William. William telepon saya mau nggak join ini pertama kali nggak mau karena kan kalau MLM kan pusing dah begitu. Ternyata ini bukan kita udah nyari, kalau kita udah poinnya cukup, kita nggak usah nyari lagi, kita cuman bantu-bantu bawah. Jadi Tante sih downline-nya udah 132 sih tadi sempet ngitung. Terus tadinya sih memang kita nggak ada problem penyakit apa-apa, cuman kalau Om Hasan kan ada hysteroid sama prostat. Kita nggak mikir kalau minum Hemohim bisa sembuh gitu. Cuman Om dibilang suruh minum, dia langsung ikut aja minum. Januari kemarin Tante udah join 1 year. Jadi on Januari kita periksa darah 2 kali. Kalau saya emang nggak ada problem apa-apa, udah makan biasa, tapi kolesterolnya 4.1 now. Padahal makannya biasa aja. Terus kalau Om memang nggak ada kolesterol, nggak ada gula, nggak ada apa, cuman ada hysteroid sama prostat. Yang on July katanya sih heteroidnya udah nggak ada, tapi waktu kemarin Januari dokternya bilang prostatnya juga udah all good gitu. Jadi minum obatnya udah dikurangin semua, mestinya tiap hari atau apa, sekarang cuma seminggu 2 kali, but only half. But we still, kita tetap minum Hemohim, biarpun ada yang lain-lain seperti vitamin C atau mie atau apa. Nah, mengenai join, kita tuh sebetulnya nggak usah pusing-pusing cari orang itu tuh banyak ngomong gini gitu. Kalau tante cari orang, tante cuman cari, kamu mau facial nggak? Free facial. Oh mau? Di mana? Only easy. Nggak usah kita jelasin MLM lah, apalah, nggak perlu. Kita cuman bilang, kamu mau join nggak? Gitu. Free facial. Nanti orang Koreanya yang facialin. Oh boleh, gimana? Itu tante cuman kayak gitu nyari orangnya. Ya. Terus mau bilang aja terima kasih sama Atomi, kita bisa ketemu Atomi ini, thanks God gitu. Jadi kita bisa minum hemohim, minum yang lain-lain, itu bukan chemical. Kalau mengenai dandan, ya tante memang dari dulu suka dandan, tapi nggak pernah pakai merek tertentu gitu. Tapi sekarang hanya fokus Atomi gitu buat perawatan muka. Ya, gitu aja. Ya, thank you.
Thank you, Tante William.
William mana?
Halo,
Ya.
halo saya William. Saya kena Atomi dari Clarina. Si Clarina bilang, dia juga nggak suka kalau namanya MLM. Tapi dia bilang ini bagus sih. Seperti Tante Ninik bilang, kalau kita nggak perlu, kalau atasannya udah mencapai poinnya, akan dikasih ke bawahnya gitu. Terus tadinya saya sih ya udah masukin nama aja, soalnya juga nggak usah bayar. Udah dari situ ya pelan-pelan coba produknya. Produknya juga bagus-bagus, juga harganya juga terjangkau. Ya dari situ sampai sekarang saya juga masih 100 sih minum hemohim 1 hari 1. Terakhir saya cek kolesterolnya memang ada berkurang. Itu aja sih yang soalnya saya cuma pakai hemohim. Kalau produk-produk kosmetik belum.
Bukannya udah pakai
Iyalah
home.
laki-laki kan nggak perlu.
Bukannya udah pakai home itu, William, yang all in one itu.
Oh iya itu.
Iya. Oke. Thank you. Oh, ada lagi yang mau ngomong nggak? Kalau nggak, I think.
Ya itu aja.
Iya. Ada lagi yang mau kasih introduction?
Ya, tanyain yang lain lah.
Ada lagi?
Tapi, ayo.
Oke.
Sri, kamu fotonya tanya anak Sri, gitu liatin mukamu Sri. Tanya anakmu.
Nggak mau. Hannah, what next are we going to ask them?
Yeah,
Oh.
everyone did it, and then after that, I'm going to introduce you about just very short, absolute, and this part out how to use it. Very short one. When you guys finish.
Oh,
Oke.
oke. Ada lagi yang mau kasih some word? Kalau nggak ada, ya Hana akan jelasin yang lain kali.
Ya, soalnya waktunya cuma 30 menit, sekarang udah 15 menit.
Iya, kita bisa, ya soalnya jam 8 ada Inggris. Kalau ada yang mau lanjut Inggris bisa, kalau nggak mau ya sudah. Soalnya kenapa tadinya mau jam 7 kan, karena Hana nggak bisa, ya udah 7:30 lah. Dan banyak yang nggak bisa stay lama juga kan karena Zoom. Jadi ya make it short lah. Kalau misalnya mau lebih banyak info ya kita ikut yang Inggris lah. Tapi kalau misalkan ke depannya ternyata 30 menit nggak cukup, kita mau 1 jam, kita bisa make it 1 jam gitu loh. Maybe start early lain kali gitu. I think Hannah, you can take over. No one want to talk.
Okay, Hannah, I think we finish. No one want to talk for you.
The English is okay.
Ya, oke.
I tell you my internet is a really bit not good these days. So sometimes when I talking, middle of talking is like a turn off. You understand?
Yeah, it's okay.
But that
Yeah.
so I went to is it Indonesian? Yeah, it's the Indonesian website. Can you see? Right?
Ya, keranjang belanja.
Belanja. Okay. So Indonesia, they have many product, and then if you curious about the product and thing, you can click in here. You can see the Indonesian explanation. So in here we oh no, okay. So there's someone asked me about Spot Absolute Skincare and then Spot Out Essence, how to use it together, combine together. So the Absolute day and night, and Spot Out only nighttime. So but Spot Out also you can use daytime, but if you want to use daytime, don't forget the sunscreen. If you forget sunscreen, you put a Spot Out, your spot get more darker. If you want your spot more darker, put on daytime on your face. Spot Out, because this one have a lot of vitamin C. So the vitamin C is very sensitive for the skin sunlight. So when they exposed to the sunlight, it's more darker. So, but if you put the sunscreen a lot, it's okay. But just in case, because sometimes I forgot my sunscreen, so and then I went to the center, I just, I forgot my makeup, so I do makeup. So I don't do the daytime, I only do nighttime, our Spot Out Essence and Spot Out Cream. And Clarina, if you can go to the Indonesian website and share about Spot Out Cream and Spot Out Essence or Absolute is really good, because my computer is not working. Thank you. And so the step by step, how to use it. So actually, Absolute said, if you see the box on top of that, you can see the how to use it step by step. On the box on top, there's a toner, ampule, and then eye cream or serum, lotion, and nutrition. Like those steps on top, they write down in there. But don't worry, you don't need to do the whole step. If you do the whole step by step, very good. But even though you mix up, it's okay. So at the night time, you use the Absolute toner and ampule. Absolute toner and blue ampule, I especially really like it. And then you use the Spot Out Essence. Because who has some people for the whitening care, when they use for their skin, they feel sting. To me as well, especially who has a very sensitive, dry skin. When they use the Spot Out cream or Spot Out essence, in the beginning they feel sting. Oh, what happened? Oh, it feels it's not my face. It's not for me. Not working for me. No, because your skin is very dry. When you put a lot of vitamin C on your skin, it's like a natural. So that's why blue ampule is very important. When you feel sting, if you use the blue ampule together, it makes it calm down. And then if you keep try, is that the sting is disappear. Also, so when you use a snow, Pierre, give me the question if we are using the snow set Spot Out essence, will be together. Snow set is very much specialized for the whitening. So it's up to you. If you want more whitening, you can use the snow set together. Also, to me, I use the Synergy Ampule #1 together. When I use the snow set or even the Absolute set, nighttime, I use the Synergy Ampoule #1 because this Synergy Ampoule #1 is also focusing on the spot and then whitening. Also, our Synergy Ampoule #1 and then the other spot out essence and cream, when you are using, you feel like your dark spot looks more darker in the beginning. So if you can see that your spot more darker is working. And then don't forget the sunscreen daytime. Why? Your background is very brighter, so it looks your spot more darker. But consistently you using the spot out essence and cream or Synergy Ampoule #1 and Snow, your spot also lighter. So thank you, Clarina. So that you can see Indonesian website, is it English or Indonesian? Is it all English, right? Oh, it's Australian website. You can go to the Indonesian website because Indonesia, they have this spot out, I think. Yeah, so you can read our spot out essence and cream. They have the patent. The patent means they can, from South Korea government, approved when you use this product several months, after 3 months, 4 months, consistently when you're using, your face really improve, get to the result with the whitening. So our spot out essence and cream, both of them have that patent. So that they already tested, a lot of people try with this product several months, at least 3 months they try, and then with the result, they get the patent number. And they have 6 different technology in here. So and then you can see the last, thank you. Lots of ingredients. You know, really amazing thing of our products. When you see the ingredient, you can't find the purified water in our ingredient.
Hey, Hannah.
Yeah.
Hannah, there's a member asking about the, what is it, retinol? Retinol. Yeah, they're asking is Atomy have the product that have a retinol ingredient. So when I try to Google Atomy product that contain retinol.
So retinol is the one of kind of vitamin A. I'm sure Atomy have it because the that one makes the reduce the wrinkle and whitening, and then the so that one is a retinoic acid. So the of course I think Atomy has it. So the if you see our company, I need to find it which ingredient in that one, because like everything is English and too many ingredients. So the most of our products, you know, the Absolute skincare set, of course they have the whitening and then wrinkle care, the niacinamide, and then those ingredients they have it. So I have to search it and then tell you later.
They just not mention directly that this is retinol, but when we see the retinol meaning here, they say like lotion, serum, anti-aging ever, and then can clear the acne.
Yes,
I think the Absolute skincare do have the.
It is. So I think the Absolute is the best one for the for everything, for the day and night. So I really like the Absolute. So who have a dry skin, day and night, 6 of them. And then oily skin is the, I love Fie, give me a lot of questions. I love it. Yeah, really. So then
they're asking about the EP.
For the oily skin, Absolute skincare set, when you use 6 of them, you feel too much oily. So you can use 3 in the morning, 3 in the night. And fifth question is another question. Can EP booster white mode be used when applying spot out or snow set? Of course, yeah, very good, clever. Yeah, you're doing very good. So when you use the snow set, we choose the mode whitening mode, and then use the snow and then or spot out essence or spot out cream, massage with the whitening function. Because this one EP booster, white color is the more focused on the whitening effect. So this one is not on dry skin. Of course, you need to put a lot of nutrition, and on top you use it. So you can see white one is the different function. So, but really important thing is even though you want to become more beautiful, do not use
Oh,
internet.
internet connection.
Yeah,
Not good.
internet no good.
No good, no good. Hannah haven't paid the bill yet, I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Clarina, this one is reading.
Oh, why is it?
Yeah. This one is skin booster.
Yeah, this one skin booster. Yeah, jadi
Blue
ya,
color and white color. Yeah.
ya, jadi ini skin
Cream
booster
color.
itu skin booster itu kayak face massage gitu loh. Jadi dia banyak fungsinya. Dia ada lampu-lampu gitu loh, ada color. Jadi ada blue color, ada buat whitening, ada purple buat itu. Apa sih? Jadi ini kebanyakan sih kalau kita pakai sinergi ampul baru kita pakai functionnya gini. Tapi kalau normal absolute skincare ya kita pakai blue aja. Atau kalau pakai yang whitening punya kayak spot out essence sama yang snow, absolute snow kita pakai yang warna putih karena putih kan memang buat whitening. Putih biasa 2 menit udah stop. Kalau blue biasa 5 menit. Jadi kalau pakai normal absolute skincare ya pakai aja blue gitu loh. Ya. Bagus sih ini buat investasi bagus lah kan ini bisa pakai buat massage juga gitu loh. Dan kita kalau pakai absolute skincare biar krimnya lebih absorb, kita pakai massage ini, pakai ini jadi dia lebih nyerap. Dan yang terakhir itu warna red itu bisa buat massage gitu loh. Massage kayak kita pakai hair tonic segala macam kan kita bisa massage ke kepala kita pakai ini pijit-pijit. Sama kalau ada bagian tubuh yang sakit kita kasih oil habis itu kita massage pakai ini tapi mesti dilap dulu habis pakai gitu. Bagus sih ini ampul EP booster 200-an oke lah cukup lama saya udah beli udah pakai setahunan lebih. So far so good asal jangan jatuh aja karena very sensitif ya dia punya mesin ya. Jadi dirawat aja, di charge gitu loh, di charge seminggu kalau sering pakai seminggu 2 kali sih saya charge sih. Bisa tahu pas dicolok merah berarti udah itu, udah mesti charge. Kalau hijau berarti udah penuh. Gitu.
Clarina, can I mention one thing? Did you
Yeah,
mention
sure.
about the red color one, massage
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
very strong one?
Yeah, I did. I said massage the red one can
Can
use
massage for the
Yeah.
arthritis who has the knee problem.
Yeah.
They put some cream and then it's like Voltaren cream or something in the knee when you're having really sore rainy day, having knee pain, and using the red color as a massage function, very strong, it works straight away. So lots of people like another members they using for massage knees, the pain is gone straight instantly. So not just only face massage, you can use as another function, especially red one.
Yeah. True. Thank you. Yeah, I normally I'm not use the red one so far. I mostly use the blue one and the white. Yeah, and when I use I have the Synergy ampule like Synergy ampule. I use for this one. I use most of the color the light. Nah, yang tadi EP booster itu yang banyak color itu sebenarnya buat pakai ini. Jadi dia ada nomor 0 mulai dengan nomor 0 dulu itu buat prepare kita punya skin terima ampul-ampul berikutnya. Ini bagus ini dibilang kalau pakai 1 minggu ini garansi akan ada perubahan di muka kita gitu loh. Saya udah pakai sih, lumayan sih berasa efeknya sih. Ini kan harusnya 1 botol 1 minggu, tapi mostly bisa pakai buat satu botol bisa 2 minggu gitu loh. Jadi biru buat siapin dulu muka kita. Nomor 1 itu vitamin C buat brightening. Nomor 2 itu gold mask, gold lah istilahnya, ada gold, kandungan gold itu buat anti aging ya. Sama yang 3 itu buat elastisitas ya, lifting. Elastisitas. Oh, nomor 2 itu gold buat lifting. Nomor 3 yang buat anti aging. Ini cuma mesti hati-hati, kalau menurut saya sih ya sebaiknya kita pakai Absolute Skincare dulu. Jadi muka kita udah terbiasa baru kita pakai ini. Jangan langsung main beli yang ini, karena ada beberapa orang yang udah pakai pas pakai pertama aja mukanya jadi itu merah-merah, karena kan mukanya kayak istilahnya kaget gitu loh. Jadi saran saya sih kalau bisa pakai Absolute Skincare dulu, itu paling bagus lah. Ini sinergi cuma untuk kalau mau treatment aja, ya paling 6 bulan sekali pakai gitu. Okay, any question?
We need to take a photo, group photo.
Yeah,
For the
take a-
Indonesian.
Oh, okay. You you want me to take?
I
Or?
capture and then turn on your page. This one is the Indonesia Zoom meeting. We take a group photo.
Can you join?
I count to 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.